deals the cards as a meditation, and those he plays never suspect. He doesn't play for the money he wins, he don't play it for respect. He deals the cards to find the answers, the secret geometry of chance, the hidden law of a probable outcome. The numbers lead a dance. I know that the spades are the swords of a soldier, I know that the clubs are weapons of war, I know that diamonds mean money for this art, but that's not the shape of my heart. He may play the jack of diamonds, he may lay the queen of spades, he may conceal the king in his hand, the number of it fades. I know that the spades are the swords of a soldier, I know that the clubs are weapons of war, I know that diamonds mean money for this art, but that's not the shape of my heart. That's not the shape of my heart. If I told you that I loved you, you'll maybe think there's something wrong. I'm not a man of too many faces, the mask I wear is one, but those who speak know nothing and find out to their cost. But those who curse their luck in too many